Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be tidying up the patio because we're going to be hanging out back here. I spend a lot of time on the patio when the weather is nice and warm. I have my coffee here almost every morning, and we tend to grill as much as possible to avoid using the oven. It gets really hot in the house when making something that takes hours to cook or requires really high heat. I do have the perfect solution to that problem now because I have my new outdoor oven for the things I can't just put on the grill. I picked up this Ninja wood fire pizza oven on Walmart, and I have to give them a really big thanks for sponsoring today's video. I am so excited about this oven because you can make a variety of different foods in it. So aside from making pizza, you can also bake, roast, broil, and if you want, you can also add that barbecue flavor to anything you make in it. I'll talk a bit more about the oven when I get it set up, but I'm going to finish cleaning up this space because it's a bit dusty out here. I did spray everything down yesterday and set the cushions up to air dry. Now I just need to straighten it all out and wipe down the tables. Then I can start setting up for a fun pizza day with the family. So I'm going to be making two different types of pizzas because I'm dieting right now and keeping my carb intake pretty low. I'll be using low carb tortillas for my crust and the naan bread for theirs. The family really loves homemade pizzas on the naan bread, and that's what I prefer to use as well when I'm not really watching my carb intake, but I will be using the same toppings for both. All right, now it's time for the fun part. Let's get the oven ready, and it comes with the rack and pizza stone already installed. You get a bag of wood pellets, a quick start guide with a few recipes that you can make in this oven, and this is the scoop for the pellets. There's also a pan and roasting rack included as well. I want that smoky flavor on the pizza because I've never had it that way before, and I really love that wood fire taste on my food. So for that, you'll have to add a full scoop of the wood pellets here on the side, and then I'm going to turn the oven to the pizza setting, and you can see they have all of these different options based on what you're cooking. But yeah, I am making pizza, so I'm going to turn it to the pizza setting and hit the wood fire button. You have to do that before you start it. You'll see different pizza options to choose from. There's Neapolitan, thin crust, New York style, pan, frozen, and a custom setting if you don't want to use any of the presets. I'm going to use the thin crust setting for both of these pizzas, and then I'm just going to press start. The oven needs to preheat first, and it'll chime to alert you that it's ready. As it's preheating, you'll see smoke coming from the back, and you'll be able to smell the wood pellets as it's building that nice smoky flavor around the oven. The preheat time for the thin crust took about 10 or so minutes because the temperature for that was set at 550 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. That's a really high time, and I know 5 minutes would burn the pizza, so I did stop it after 2 minutes of cooking. I did realize afterwards that I can adjust that time, so I put it on 2 minutes the second time around, and I love how fast the oven cooked the pizza, and that wood fire flavor on it made it taste even better. I did make a total of 4 pizzas, and I went ahead and cut the pizza in small slices just the way the kids like. And I got this pizza cutter on Walmart as well as the serving plates and bowls I'll be using today. I really enjoy shopping on Walmart's site for my home finds as well as for fashion and beauty items. The shipping is really fast and all of these items arrived the next day. I will have everything linked in the description box if you would like to check it out. This was a really great evening, enjoying the nice weather and making delicious pizza with my outdoor oven. I look forward to making more things in it like steak and making salmon with that smoky wood fire flavor. Salmon is my absolute favorite, so I really look forward to that. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed spending some time with me today. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. That'll be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.